Definitely put the work in. I mean, anyone who's looking for acting or drama or anything in the entertainment business to be this fun alternative to work is sorely mistaken. You're going to work, twice as hard as other people who have 9 to 5 jobs. In my case, for whatever reason, it's like, I don't know, maybe the only thing I can do. It's something that I'm suited for, but it's ironic to me when I feel like, oh yeah, I'm just kind of this lazy slacker, and the next thing I know, I'm working these 16-hour days and trying to bring a lot of energy and do all this stuff, and I'm just going, okay, I guess there's a work ethic here, because only a madman would accept this kind of stuff. I mean, being human, I think on the first season, out of about 100-day shoot, I think I had 3 days off, 4 days off, something like that. And the days that I was there, the longest day we had was 22 hours. Shorter ones, maybe you're only there for like 8 or 9 hours. So it's kind of backbreaking stuff. But if people want to get into it, if they're very insistent, get training, take classes, go to school for it, really understand what it is that you're getting into, because the more that you have appreciation for where all this stuff comes from, the better you're going to be at it.